Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Medium School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 5. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Competency Based Question 4. Competency based question is written in short CBQ. Okay, dear students, now see the question at first. Competency based question 4 or CBQ 4. What is the question? CBQ 4. 10 persons can finish a work in 15 days and each of them gets 500 taka daily. In how many days will a person finish the work? How much money will 10 persons get in total? How many persons will be needed to finish the work in 5 days? These are 3 questions here. We have to solve this question. Okay, dear students, let us start solution. First question A. What is question A? Question A is, in how many days will a person finish the work? It means that one person can finish the work in how many days? We have to find out the number of days. Here we can see the information from the stream. 10 persons can finish a work in 15 days. So we have to find out one person can finish the work in how many days. So we can write 10 persons can finish a work in 15 days. Therefore, one person can finish a work in the students, you have to understand that here the work is same, one work. 10 person can finish in 15 days. If the work can be done by one person, then more time will be needed. As more time is needed, so we have to multiply. It means that we have to multiply 10 by 15 days. It means that if we multiply 10 and 15, this will be 150 days. So we can say a person finished the work, a person will finish the work. Therefore, a person will finish the work in 150 days. This is our required answer for question A. 150 days. Okay, dear students, now I'll solve question B. Question B is, how much money will 10 persons get in total? It means that in total, it means that we can write here daily. This is our question. In total, daily. It means that we have to find out the amount of money of 10 persons in one day. Here, the information given, each of them gets 500 taka daily. It means that in one day, one person get 500 taka. Each of them means one person get 500 taka daily. We have to find out the amount of money for 10 persons daily. It means that we can write here, one person get, solution of B, one person gets 500 টাকা daily. Therefore, 10 persons get. So, as we need to find the amount of money of 10 persons, so we have to multiply 500 by 10. As person is more, the money will be more, taka, daily. So, if we multiply, we will get 5,000 taka. Just multiply 5 by 1, 5 ones are 5 and 1, 2, 3, 0 here. So, we can write here 3, 0. So, our required answer for this question should be 5,000 taka. It means that we can write the answer 10 persons will get, therefore 10 persons will get 5,000 taka daily. Okay, dear students, now I will write the answer of this question. So, answer of this question is 5,000 taka. Okay, now I will solve question C. What is question C? Question C is how many persons will be needed to finish the work in 5 days? In 15 days, the work can be done by 10 persons. In 15 days, the work can be done by 10 persons. We have to write the number of persons in the last of the sentence, as we need to find the number of persons. So, we have to write in 15 days the work can be done by, in 15 days the work can be done by 10 persons. The work can be done by 10 persons. Therefore, in 1 day, the work can be done by, we can write here 10 multiplied by 15 persons. Therefore, in 5 days, the work can be done by. Now, we have to divide by 5. When we will divide, the number will go to the denominator. We can cut 15 and 5, here will be 3, 1 here. So, if we multiply 3 and 10, it will be 30. It means that 30 persons. The students, it means that 30 persons will be needed to complete the work to finish the work in 5 days. Therefore, to finish the work in 5 days, 30 persons will be needed. So, our required answer for this question is 30 persons. The students, I hope you have understood the solution of CBQ4. Now I have given a question for your homework, that is CBQ3. CBQ3 is divisor is 78, the quotient is 25 and remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. It means that if you divide 78 by 3, you will get the divisor. As you have divisor, here is divisor, this is quotient. Now if you divide the divisor by 3, you will get the remainder. So as you have divisor, quotient and remainder, you can find the dividend. So our first question, determine the remainder. Remainder, how can you get the remainder? If we divide 78 by 3 and find out the dividend. To find out the dividend, you have to write the formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Using this formula, find out the dividend. And question C is, if the dividend is 8903, remainder is 29 and divisor is 3 times of the remainder, determine the quotient. It means that at first we have to find out the divisor. How can we find out the divisor? Divisor is 3 times of remainder. It means here is remainder is 29. So if we multiply 29 by 3, we will get the divisor. Now if we use the formula for the quotient equal to dividend minus remainder divided by the divisor. Using this formula, you will get the answer for question C. Okay, dear students, do this as your homework. This is your homework 17. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, as your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.